What traits do you think it takes to be a successful laundromat owner these days? Lack of ego.
Yeah, I mean, ego could go. Yeah, I mean, ego in anything in life is could go for sure, right? But
Yeah.
I think it's a great industry. I think you just need that. You got to want to do it, and you got to just
Hmm.
be okay with
Hmm.
change and things happen, and like you can't dwell on little things.
Right.
Sometimes you look at the forums online, and people get so focused on one thing, and I don't see it. I think that you gotta things are going to happen. Every store is different. The thing about the laundry industry is that every market is different. And when you're looking at a store or you're in a store, you can't. You can take certain things from other stores and bring it to this store, but they don't always work, And you got to just be able to. In this business, you got to really listen to the customers. You got to really try and understand the customers. You want to go into a really tough area and push wash, dry, fold. You may fall on your face. You want to go into a really nice area and push self service. You may not make it. So understanding where you're at and being able to be flexible and adapt is the key trait. Of course, you got to work hard. Of course, you got to, there's common things that happen in every business. You got to, it's not a 9 to 5 schedule. You got to be ready 24 hours to make changes and do what you got to do. But you got to really be able to be flexible. I mean, flexibility is key, I think.
Right.